Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around this world. On this channel, we're going to talk about mindset, personal development, whatever else comes to the table. I don't know if you were able to join us on that morning mastermind call, but it was off the charts as usual, right? We talked about persistence and consistency. We talked about keeping on. And my girl, Robin Williams, took many years. She was saying about many years it took her to be successful, right? Online. And that's okay. It's that you don't quit on the journey. And the goal is to take as many people as you can with you. What I want for myself, I want for you. And that's what's so great about our community. There's not one question that you can't get answered, right? If you're an online marketer and you're brand new and you're a newbie and, you're learning the ropes and you want to learn, well, there's not one question that you can't get answered if you plug into our mastermind, right? If you can't attend the mastermind, you can fill out a form and write your question down and get it answered. And that's what's really powerful, right? Getting your question answered even though you're not there. So today I want to talk to you too about teamwork. I love it, right? I love being part of a team, especially working. I love it. I work with a great team out there, in road work. I work with some great people, and I love when we all work in sync, right? In harmony and cooperation, and we all got each other's back. And that's what it's about, guys. It's about having our backs, having people's backs when they're not even looking, right? Wouldn't it be good to have a friend that had your back, right? When you weren't around, find one of them. You better keep them, right? But anyway, that's just my rant today. It's Turn It Up Tuesday. Just got out of work. Wanted to come out here and share some value with my tribe. And I just want to tell you that I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Know that you have everything inside you. You just got to take action. We only have one life, one moment, one today. Make it the best. Work on your body, your mind, and your spirit. And as always, do something good for somebody else in the space of knowing they can't repay you. I love you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you that follow me. Like, share, and comment. Stay tuned tomorrow for Winning Wednesday with my girl, Amy. Have an awesome night.